Howdy campers. This is my core 10-person lighted tent I got from Costco. I've posted a couple of videos, one setting it up the first time, once after spending a night in it. Someone recently requested that I do a video of taking it down, and that's not a bad idea. I'm going to do it real time so you get a better idea what it takes and how quick it is. I do not have the rain fly on. I'm not going to bother with it, but I will show you. When you're setting up and taking down these strings, it can be a pain in the butt. So I went and got some twist ties at a nearby store. I should have gotten smaller ones, but this is all they had at the time. And I was on the road, so you just tie up your ropes and it makes it much easier. They don't get in your way. You don't have to tie a knot or anything. So let's get started. I should also add I did not stake it down because that takes a couple of extra minutes and you don't need to see me walking around bending over and huffing and puffing trying to pull up the stakes. So let's get moving. Start on this end. You drop each leg first. Don't let it collapse until you've lowered each of the legs, or you could break something. Ta-da! Ta-da! You want to make sure each leg is turned, that each elbow is turned inside out. Again, so you don't bend or break something. And here comes the fun part. This is easier with two people. As you can see, I'm one people. Now the bag is way over yonder, the tent's way over here, and you're way over there. Let me lay this down. I've already put the rain fly in the bag. Try to gather it all again. There we go, we're all done. Almost. Legs inside. side. But it does have a zipper on the bottom to expand it. I have yet to need to do it. I thought about getting some big Velcro straps or something to strap around the whole thing before I put it in the bag. But as you can see, packs up just fine. So that's it. I went camping from California to Illinois and back this month. It held up to wind, rain, visiting dogs and cats, horses, goats, and other natural disasters. And it was awesome. So, once again, it's a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!